On the second demo, we are going to manipulate integer data type. So let's say we have name, and we have another field called year of birth. So this is our second input. So we need to add more codes to session at Servlet and session manager Servlet. So we add another one called integer, year of birth, and request.get parameter, put year. Okay, we wanted to store an integer object, but this one return a string. This line here is return a string, request.get parameter, it will return a string. So we need to convert it into equivalent data type, so which is also integer. So we use integer dot value of, we choose the second one, which is this one here, because our parameter data that we have is string, and put it here. So we convert everything, okay, into integer. Then we add data to the session dot set, using the same method, which is set attribute. We call it year of birth, just to maintain the consistency, and the same data, year of birth. Okay, this is acceptable because the second parameter is object, so we have provide the equivalent data type. Okay, let's manipulate our data here in session manager Servlet. Okay, so we get our second data, which is integer, year of birth. Okay, right, and then we get session.get attribute, the same method. Okay, specify our attribute name, which is year of birth. Okay, we need to cast the whole thing into integer. So we put this for casting. Okay, let's get the current age for the person. Okay, so integer age equal to, so this year is 2020 minus with year of birth. Okay, and then we display the age. Okay, at the moment we are displaying everything into a console for this demonstration. So let's bring this up, clear this, okay, and run our application. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, so click this one and enter our input, let's say the name and year of birth. Okay, then click submit. And this is our output from session tracking. So basically we can track the session from one servlet to another servlet.